one of the last things I really want to say, and he mentioned it in that video about us being nature. Um, Another part of my life, I studied with this African mystic from Ghana for several years, and I used to go on these like long retreats with him and these other people. And he was just this like 6'6" huge man, and he was so gentle and loving, but he'd just be like, Isla, you are nature. You are nature. Like you have the stuff of the sun and the stuff of the trees, and you're nature, and nature is wild and free and alive. And it was so impactful. This was when I was like 22, 23. And it was just this reminder that I'm the one that judges my natural experience of life. I'm the one that says it should be different, like it should be easy breezy. And but I realized why I wanted it to be more easy breezy is I was afraid of it. I was afraid of the wild nature of being a human. And I didn't trust the system. I didn't know. I didn't get that nature is also self-correcting. In like in the thick wilderness, when there needs to be a cleansing, there are forest fires. Naturally, they happen as a way of cleansing. Naturally, forest, there's unnatural, but there's also natural. Like there's a destruction to nature. There's a destructive thing in nature that's like magical, and the waves and the tides. And just watch any nature show cautiously if you have kids. It's like you'll get attached to the little bunny rabbit that then gets eaten by a fox. Then you get attached to the fox that then gets eaten by the coyote. I mean, it's intense out there, and we're a part of that, and there's nothing wrong with it. And it's and the thing that I know makes my natural wild human experience more enjoyable is when I'm in the suffering and I just feel stuck in it, is to know like, wow, I can really change my whole experience right now by focusing my mind somewhere else. And the whole landscape changes, inner and outer. And I just that is what I think it would be worthwhile for all of you just to focus on a little bit this week, and we'll get to talk about it to see what you see next week. Just to see what it's like to decide, God, I'm in a shitty mood. Can I change my mind? Gosh, I'm obsessively thinking about this thing that happened yesterday. Can I think about something else and just see what happens? And to know that our nature also, our natural set point is equanimity. Like that's that's behind the scenes of all the temporary emotions and all the temporary thoughts. Equanimity, peace. Like that's who we are. We don't have to fight for it, try for it, work for it. Like that's in there when our minds are a little bit quieter. That's what's in there.